So I'm here at the infamous dying toy gun. This is the first installment of Foursquare Stories. See, I'm logged into Foursquare. I am now going to check in, and I'm going to push to Facebook and Twitter just for fun. So here's the deal. It's actually dead. It was dying for about a month. The battery was running down in this thing, and it would make this. Let's see if I can. You can kind of. You just heard it, I think. There it goes. But it would go boom, 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 boom. It was just doing it for weeks. And I'd come in the backyard, maybe take the trash out into the creepy alley, which we'll get to later. And this thing was going pew, 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 on its own, had a life of its own. And so I figured, hey, why don't I make this a place? Because this is kind of cool, the dying gun. I mean, it's dying. It's an entity. You know, let's give it a place on Foursquare. This was originally part of Connor's Halloween costume, maybe 2 Halloweens ago. I think it's either Jango Fett or Boba Fett. It's his gun, and so it's about 2 or 3 years old. And unfortunately, the dying toy gun is now dead. So that's really this Foursquare story. So